Yeah, welcome traders. This is Zone Point FX where we wait, trap, and strike. Now I want to do, because today is Sunday, yeah. So I want to do a weekly lookout analysis for how our EURUSD week is going to be, probably how it's going to be. So now back to the analysis. You can, from our weeklies, we'll be doing our analysis from weekly down to maybe 1 hour or 4 hours. And you can also start from daily data, check the level you mark on daily at how it line with weekly. But this one I'll be starting with weekly. My previous video I did earlier, I started from daily. So now on Euro USD, now our weekly, now we will mark key levels where price is reacting from and where we feel price is going to reject from. That's what we just want to do on our weekly. So on our weekly now, we can see this level here. This level here was the initial place price rejected from. And you can't agree with me. Let's use line. Before that, let's use line. This is line chart. This is, you can all agree with me that this is a bullish break here. This is a bullish break here. From our analysis, we use our Fibonacci from here, draw our fib from here to this area here. And remember, in my last video, I said 0.5 and 0.6, I count them as what? As inducement level. I count 0.5 and 0.6 as inducement level. So what I want to do first, I want to mark key levels. And where is the key level I'm seeing here? Is this place on my daily? Is this place? So I'll be deleting this my feed. So I can say this current market that is happening now, I'll be selling. I won't be buying. I won't be buying at all. I don't know what the market wants to do. I don't know how the market wants to, whatever the market wants to do, but I'll probably be selling till I probably sell to this level here before pushing up. That's what I'll be doing that's what I think I'll be doing. So let me delete the fib, let me delete this. So let's put it back to what? Charts. Wow, and you can see now that price has already what? Tapped into this level. This Fibonacci level I mark, price has already what? Tapped into it. This is it. Price has tapped into it and price is what? Pulling up. So this level now, I can't, initially before I was saying I will sell to this level, I did not even notice that price has gotten to the level. You see, now that price has already tapped to this level, I'll be doing what? I'll be buying. I'm not selling on Euro USD. I'll be buying throughout the week till I see a break of structure at this level here. Till I see a break of structure here. So once I see a break of structure here, I will carefully wait for a turn back, for a little pullback before deciding whether it will be selling to a retracement level or it will continue buying. That's just that about that. So let me delete this. I just use this to explain some things. Let me delete this too. I hope you are following up. So since we already know that price has already tapped into this level and price is what? Pulling up already. So now you can agree with me that price did what? Rejected from this level. One. This level to do what? The price did what from this level to rejected from this level. That's 2. And if you say below it, price what? Price is rejecting from this level. So now Euro USD, if you ask me what is Euro USD doing, I'll tell you Euro USD is ranging this level here, this level here, this level I just draw box, this grey box or ash box is a range, level. You can see none of it is like working out, is a range level. But this is what I will do. Is a range level does not mean I won't trade. There are some traders that will leave it, they won't trade, like since it's a range level, they won't want to trade. But me, I will trade, and this is the trick I will use. We already know it's a range level. Let's use the power of 3 CRT. Power of 3 in CRT, we used to use two, like 3 candle formation. The third candle, which is the one forming currently, the second candle, which is the manipulation, and the first candle, which is the accumulation. So we'll be targeting on the first candle. So in this kind of markets here now, the third candle has not formed. We are expecting the third candle to form around there. So this is the second and this is the first. So we marking our CRT level now. We'll be marking here and we'll be marking here. And what okay, let me just label it. Let me label it out. CRT CRH candle. Okay, let me just write CRTH candle range theory. That's the meaning of CRTI, and I will label this CRT. Sorry, that's mistake. I just hope you guys are following me up. CRT low candle range, CRT low. So candle range theory high and candle range theory low. So what, to me, before going to my daily, I'm expecting a new week that will be forming. I'll be expecting price to do what? Sell all the way to this level, sweep this level here before now moving up to take this level. Reason why I'm expecting that is price has, I hope you are following me, price has swept this level. This level I marked, it has been swept already by that CRTI. That CRTI have been swept by this manipulation candle, which is the second candle. So the new candle that will be forming, the third candle, now I'll be expecting price to sweep it down also. So I'll be using this one as what? A manipulation. I'll be using this one as a liquidity. This is a liquidity. So a new candle that will be forming, let me delete this again and redraw it. A new candle that will be forming, I'll be expecting it to, maybe if you want to start, maybe we start from this key level here. That's a key level due to MSNR, because I'm a type of trader that use MSNR, SMC, and yeah, I think that's the two major. And I use RCT, which is from ICT concept. So I typically use 3 concepts, but most of the time you see me use MS and R and SMC. But it's just once I use RCT, like beginning of a week, like a new week. That is when I do use RCT. So now this is open close, a bearish candle and a bullish candle. So go and try and study about candlestick. So open close, so open close, that is OC level. So this is a level here. Okay, let me write it out. This is a level here, and this level now I'll be calling it OC. That is open close. OC level. OC level. So hold on, please. I'm sorry. Permit me. I want to do something sharp. It won't take our time. Yeah. Okay. OC level. This OC level now, if market wants to start newly, like I'm coming. Let me do this like this. Okay. If markets want to start newly, we already know price has tapped into this level, which is giving us a bullish level. So that means we are in a bullish trend. The retracement is done already. The retracement has finished. There is no more retracement. So now we are seeing this level. We are seeing this OC level, which is the key level price used to respect. I will be feeling, what I will be wanting price to do is come up, maybe sweep this CRT high and tap into this level here, or just little above it, I don't know, and it will now start doing what? Selling down to this level to come and sweep this place before doing what? Moving up. This is just how the market will form. So when the market is forming, after the candle, this is just the formation I'm expecting the market to do. But the candlestick that I'll be expecting is something like this. Maybe, I don't know, but let's say something like this. I can't draw it. But I'll be expecting a rejection downward. Hope you are following. So let me delete this. Those are too confused. I just explained little thing I'll be expecting. So now, since you already analyze our weekly, this is how our weekly look like. So what we'll be doing now, we'll be going to, we already know on our weekly, we already know that, I'm coming. Sorry guys, I just need to do something. We already know on our weekly, we're expecting, I just want you to understand this. Like on our weekly, if candle will be forming, candle will go bullish up like this first, maybe taking out this CRTI to the middle of this close week to somewhere here. It will now push it down back to take this to sweep this out, maybe to a level here, before now what? Moving up. So a new week that is forming, will be forming, I'm expecting a sell. A new candle that will be forming, I'm expecting a sell. Pattern. So now let's go to our daily. That has been done. We are done with our weekly. So now, getting to our daily, don't forget where we are coming from on weekly. Don't get to daily and come and get lost, and you'll be finding your track. So we already know price use this level tapped in. This is multiple weeks. This is a future level we are expecting price to tap into and continue downward, if probably. So now what do you want to do? You want to know what is happening inside this daily. So I'll be using line charts. Now I'm done with CRT. Now I want to use SMC. I'll be using this line chart. You can agree with me. This is a shift initially. Yeah. When price was buying, 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 buying. It took out this level here to shift. So, and again, it took that out that level to do what? To shift down. Because initially this is what was happening. Okay, let me explain. From here, there's a push, push, push up, push down, push up, push down. When price finish retracing to this level, instead price to do what? Push up continue, it did not push up continue. It stop here and sorry, it stopped there and pushes down. So for it to push down now, it took out this last higher low. Initially market was forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So it took out this last higher low, which is telling us that market is trying to do what? Do a reversal. For price to take out this higher low, it's trying to do a reversal. So what we'll be doing now, we'll be using our Fibonacci to get one or two things that is happening in the market. Initially now, I said earlier that I'm looking for sell, not buy on the weekly. So let's see how our Fibonacci align with that weekly. So this is what our break shift, our market shift here. This second break that happened just give us the strong confirmation that market is what is going down. That is not sure market will be going up. So now I'll be drawing my Fibonacci from, let's pick this last high here to this break of structure. So, or should we use this? Sorry guys. Okay, let's use this. Let's use this. This level. Leave that last high, that apex high. So now the Fibonacci now. I'm not too sure about it, but let's see. Now in the Fibonacci, let's use this apex. Let me just, sorry. Let's just focus on the apex. I think the apex gives us more clarity. The apex is giving us more clarity. So in the Fibonacci now, you can see our 0.6 is what? Is around our inducement. I know, remember I said 0.6, 0.5, that is inducement level. The level I'll be buying from is above 0.6, which is for a sell, which is the premium level. For a buy, below 0.6 will be the discount level. So now we can see that this whole thing that form is what is an inducement. So we'll be marking a level above this is 0.6, and the levels I'm seeing is this initial level here. What I'm saying that place is a level. Yeah, in MSNR, there's something we call bullish gap, bearish gap, resistance becomes support, support become resistance, A level which is resistance, V level which is support. So those are things, this is just an analysis class, just advanced class analysis. So you can see that this level here has like a K leg, like a K leg. Let me zoom in. You can see that that place has like a K leg. That place is a level. Is an level. Yeah, is a level there. So don't mind my English, I'm not too good in English. So that is one level there, and this is another level here. So now let's change it to line chart. That is the two level close to our liquidity. I can call this 0.6 area liquidity. So where I want to buy from is above. So changing it to line chart. where I want to sell from rather is above. So changing it back to line chart, we can see, did you see how the analysis is actually moving very, very, very sweet? So now our daily has do what? Our daily has given us that confirmation we are looking for on weekly that we want to sell, because our this daily, the last candle that happened here, tapped into my level I marked earlier when I was using line chart. So I'll be deleting this Fibonacci. That is what I just needed for. So now I already know that this level here has been mint. We have mint this level. Daily did what? Sweep the CRT high on weekly, and he also swept this level here and tapped into this second level, which is telling us that we are what? We are selling. Hope you are getting me. We will be selling on EURUSD. We'll be selling on EURUSD. So now that has been done. So the new candle that will be happening, don't mind this whole story done and no story that. So a new candle that will be happening, a new candle that will be forming, which is on Monday. Let's mark this long week. This is open and this is close. And remember, I used to say that the close candle, the week of that close candle, I'll be marking it. That week too has its own key points inside it if you go to a lower time frame. So now I'll be marking this week because this is a bullish candle. The down is the opening and the up is the close, and the week that happened there, this is it. Because why am I using this week is sometimes price will reject so many week, and sometimes you'll be wondering that which week, how come, how on a higher time frame, you'll be wondering how is week rejecting week. But now if you now go to a lower time frame, you now see it very clearly. But for you to first get it on a higher time frame, just mark the week of that close candle, which is this. So a new candle that will be forming, and don't forget that we have this OC level here. We still have this OC level here. So the new candle that will be forming on, since we already know that our daily 2 is what? Selling, which is aligning with our weekly. So a new candle that will be forming, we'll be expecting something like this. Maybe a candle will first buy to this level here. After buying to this level here, it will now start doing what? It will start selling back. And mind, if it's selling back, this is a level here also. If we want to sell back to this level, this line I'm drawing projection line is just for a one candlestick. Don't get mistake. That is the same thing I did on weekly. It's just for a particular one candlestick of daily. Sure you understand? Earlier in the morning, the market may first buy up, and later you'll be seeing a sell reversal to come down, to come and respect this level. We want to come and respect this level. And if it's respecting this level, okay, let's just mark it like this. Okay, this is what I'm expecting. Buy a little bit and sell back. That's just one particular candle, like one candle, just one candle, something like this. I think I'll be drawing it. Initially in the morning, we'll be seeing something like this to the upside. That's a candle, and later, if the candle is now rejecting back, it will give us a wick, maybe a wick to this level, and a body candle will now do what? Will now start closing back down to this place. I don't know, because I use angle which I don't want to remove, so it's getting confusing. But just understand the scope behind what I'm saying. This particular thing is just one candlestick, but this is how first we'll be expecting buy, and later maybe during New York section or London section we'll be expecting sell. So that's just it. So let's go to, since we already get it on daily time frame, I don't think I need 4 hours time frame. So I'll be going to 1 hour time frame. So we already know that we're expecting what? We're expecting sell. Sell. We're expecting sell on what? On our Euro USD. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame now, I'm sorry. On 1 hour time frame, hope you people are following all these key levels, all these already know how it's coming. So on 1 hour time frame now, on 1 hour time frame, we are inside this zone we mark on our daily that we're expecting price to do what? React from. So on 1 hour time frame, let's see. Yeah, on 1 hour time frame, we can see what? We can see, we said we'll be buying first before it sell. So let's try and confirm it on 1 hour time frame. Let's change it to line. This is a line chart, and this is a move here. This is a move here. A shift on 1 hour time frame. People that trade 1 hour time frame, this is a move here telling us is a buy. Telling us is a buy from this level. You can see how weekly and daily was selling. 1 hour time frame is buying. So we'll be using our Fibonacci. Try it from here to here. This is still under a discount level. 0.5, 0.6, still under a discount level, and still under a premium level, which is around my my liquidity area for buy. So I'll be marking a level, but for me marking that level, I'll be drawing a box to this place here. This A and V forming together in one place. So I'm expecting price to react within that area. I'm expecting price to do what? React within that area. So and I'll be doing what? Another level again. This QMR. People that trade QMR, this is a QMR level too. Share you see. So between this QMR and this place, this is it. So I don't need this again. I just use my fib always so that we get where my probably inducement is and where my entry level will be. Shey you get why I use inducement. And you can see also there's a fair value gap here. I'm coming, let me just mark it out first and I'll delete it. There's a fair there's a fair value gap here. A fair value gap here, and you see what is aligning with that my level. So I'm expecting price to do what now on my 1 hour now. If you are a 1 hour trader, if market wants to open during Tokyo section, which is Asian section, I'm expecting market to first do what? Manipulate to the downside to tap into this level, then now do what? Push up. Is pushing up maybe probably this QMR level before now pushing down back to come and give us sell. So you can see how we align everything together, that majorly our market is doing what? Is giving us a sell market. It's giving us what? A sell market. And for me to confirm that truly this is a sell, I can enter from here if I have that appetite to enter aggressively. Like if market is formed when it's open on Monday and I see a much reason to enter from this level, when price get to this QMR level, if I see much reason to enter from there, I can decide to enter from there and start selling down. But if I do not see much reason, like if I'm not like confused enough or have that confidence to sell from here, what I will do, what I will simply do, I will wait for this. Let's use line. What I will simply do, I know it may take time, it may take a lot of time, but I will just wait patiently for a breakout at this level here. I will wait patiently for a bearish BO. In case you are seeing bearish BO in my chart, it means bearish breakout. I'll just wait patiently for that bearish breakout. So once I see that bearish breakout, I'll know yes, market is what? Is in a full down trend. Hope you get it. So that's just the analysis so far on the Euro USD. Thank you. Stay cool and stay blessed.